Good morning, students. Welcome back to maths class. Yesterday, I have solved self practice 5J, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth question, and sixth question also. And I told that you try question number 7, 8, 9, and 10. I hope you tried, but you see question number 7. You see question number 7. A man reads 1 by 5 of books on Monday. A man reads book on Monday. A man reads book on Monday. What fraction? 3 by Monday 1 by 5. 1 by 5. After that, on Tuesday 1 by 3. On Tuesday he reads 1 by 3, and 1 by 4 on Wednesday. Man reads book on Wednesday. On Wednesday, what is 1 by 4? 1 by 4. What fraction remains to be read? What fractions remains to be read? Means books in fraction remains to be read. Books in fraction remains to be read. It is asking question mark. So after that, if there are 240 pages in the book, then how many pages remain to be read? So you can see, firstly you add together 1 by 5, 1 by 3 and 1 by 4, and you take the whole book is 1. Book is 1, that are pages and fraction of the pages. So it means firstly you add together, as man reads books on 3 days, means man reads book in 3 days. 3 days means Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. How many days? 3 days. So it means you can find out 1 by 5 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. The LCM of 5, 3 and 4. This is also odd number, 3 also odd number, and 4 is even number. So you multiply together. So 60 will be LCM. 60 will be LCM. After that, we divide 60 by 5. 5 times just 60. 12 1 ja 12. Plus, you divide 60 by 3. You divide 60 by 3. So 3 2 ja 6 20. 20 1 ja 20. And plus, you divide 60 by 4. So 4 15 is 60. 15 times 4 and 15 1 is 15. After that we add together 5 2 7 and 2 1 3 1 4 1 5. 57 by 60. 57 by 60. After that, you see the book is whole 1. So you find out remains to be read, fraction of books remains to be read. Fraction of book remains to be read. What is total 1? Book is 1 whole. 1 minus 57. You add together. It will be 47. That 5 to 7 and 2 1 3 1 4. 47 by 60. So it is 47 by 60. After that you subtract 61 just 60 minus 47 by 60. So you subtract as 60 minus 47, 10 minus 7 3, and here 5 minus 4 1, 13 by 60. It is coming 13 by 60, that is remains to read. 13 by 60, the parts of book that remain to read, and after that you can find out next total page 240. Total page, it is given total page is equal to 240 pages. Total page 240. So after that it is asking also then how many pages remain to be read. Pages remain to be read. Pages remain to be read equal to 13 by 60 of 240. You solve this, 0 to 0 cancel, 6 1 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24, and 13 4 ja 52. 13 4 ja 52. So it means 52 pages remain. 52 pages remain. You see, in this question, asking two questions. Firstly, first question, books in fractions remain to be read. So firstly, you add together all the 3 days what that man reads. After that, finding out it is 47 by 60. Fraction means books in the fractions remains to be read. How many? 47 by 60. After that, fractions of the book remains to be read. What is there? So 1 minus 47 by 60. Because book is the whole one. One book is there, whole one. So from 1 you subtract 47 by 60. That will become fraction of the book remains to be read. After that, second question asking if the total pages is 240. Total pages is 240. So pages remains to be read. How many? Means 13 by 60 of 240. So you can get solution as 0 to 0 cancel, 6 1 ja 6, 6 4 ja 24, 4 will come. After then 13 4 ja 52. So it means 52 pages are remaining to be read. So that this question has been completed. After that you see next question. Question number 8. You see question number 8. As Shekhar jogs around the triangular field whose dimensions are as shown as in figure, how much is one round less than 5 km? You can see that triangles are given. So one round of triangle means perimeter of the triangle. One round triangle is perimeter of the triangle means addition of that such situation you can add together. So Shekhar jogs around the triangle field whose dimensions are as shown. How much is one round less than 5 km? How much is one round less than 5 km? So firstly, you add together. After adding together, you can do. So firstly, you take as perimeter. Shekhar jogs around the triangular field. So it is given Shekhar jogs around triangular field. It is given 101 by 4 means 1 and 1 by 4 kilometer plus total means all the three sides of the triangles you take together, because this is perimeter of the triangles. Means perimeter of the triangles means one round of the triangles. It means you add together, as all three sides are given of the triangle, you add together 1 and 1 by 4 kilometer plus 2 and 1 by 8 kilometer, 2 and 1 by 8 kilometer plus 1 and 1 by 20 kilometer, 1 and 1 by 20 kilometer. After that, you change in proper fraction. 4 1 ja 4, 1 5 by 4 plus 8 2 ja 16, 1 17, 17 by 8 and plus 21 ja 21, 21 by 20, 21 by 20. After that, you can see LCM of 4, 8 and 20. It will be LCM of 4 and 8. It is 8, and LCM of 8 and 20. It will be 40. You can find out at the side of, if you have doubt. So 40, you divide 40 by 4. 4 10 ja 40, 10 10 5 ja 50 plus 8 5 ja 40. 5 times goes, that 5 multiplied with 17. 17 5 ja 85 and plus 22 ja 40. 2 times goes, so 21 2 ja 42. In this way you solve 5 to 7. After that 8 5 13, 13 and 4, 13 and 4 17, 177 by 40, 177 by 40. After that, it is asking question that how much is one round less than 5 kilometer? One round less than 5 kilometer, that is fraction. One round, that is 177 by 40 kilometer. So one round less than 5 kilometer. One round less than 5 kilometer. It means less than 5 kilometer means 5 minus 177 by 40. You can see 45 ja 200. 200 minus 177 by 40. You can see 10 minus 7 3, 9 minus 7 2, 23 by 40, 23 by 40. So one round is 23 by 40 as less than 5, less than 5, 23 by 40 kilometer, less than 5. You can change kilometer into meter as multiplying by 1000. How you can change this kilometer into meter? You can see, or you can write this one kilometer into meter as 23 by 40 multiplied by 1000. Why? Because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. You can change the meter also. 0 to 0 cancel. 4 1 ja 4, 425 ja 100. After that 25 3 ja 75, 5 here 7 carry, 25 2 ja 50, 50 and 7 57. So 575 meter. Also you can say 23 by 40 kilometer. 23 by 40 kilometer also you can say, or you can say 575 meter. You can change kilometer into meter. So this is very easy question. Firstly, it is given as to round. Round should be done in the triangular path, and triangular path is given. So perimeter of the triangular area means triangular path is given. So perimeter of the triangle, you can take perimeter of the triangle, one round for the perimeter of the triangle. So one round if he completes, it means that is perimeter of the triangle. So perimeter means all sides what distance is there, you can add together. 1 and 1 by 4 kilometer one side, and second side 2 and 1 by 8 kilometer, third side 1 and 1 by 20 kilometer. It is given in the question. After that, getting as sum of this fraction, it is 177 by 40 kilometer. Total distance in one round. But asking question, one round less than 5 kilometer. One round less than 5 kilometer, what will be according to question? So you can also try ATQ according to question. One round less than 5 kilometer. So 5 minus 177 by 40. You can solve this. 45 is 200. 200 minus 177 by 40. So 200 minus 177 means 23 by 40 kilometer. This is correct answer, 23 by 40 kilometer. But you can change also in meter. I 23 by 40 multiplied by 1000, because 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So after that 0 to 0 cancel, and 4 1 ja 4, 425 ja 100, and 25 you multiply 25 with 23, it will come 575 meter. This is answer. And last question, question number 9, you see. Question number 9. Sudhir walked 7 by 20 km more than Prem. Prem walked 5 by 8 km less than Rohan. Sudhir walked 3 by 5 km. How much did Rohan walk? So you have no idea about the Rohan, that what distance Rohan walked. So you can consider what Rohan walked. So you can consider that x kilometer. Let Rohan walk x kilometer. You can consider let Rohan walk equal to x kilometer. What is given? Kilometer, so kilometer, meter, so meter. So kilometer. After that, you can find out Prem. Prem walked 5 by 8 km less than Rohan. Prem walked 5 by 8 km less than Rohan. 5 by 8 km less than Rohan. Then x minus 5 by 8. Then Prem walked 5 by 8 km less than Rohan. So it means less than Rohan. Rohan walked x kilometer. So x minus 5 by 8. After that, you can see Sudhir walked 3 by 5 km. Sudhir walked 7 by 20 km more than Prem. So 7 by 20 km more than Prem. So Sudhir walked according to question 7 by 20 km more than Prem. So this is the Prem. Prem walked x minus 5 by 8. So you can write more than. So x minus 5 by 8. X minus 5 by 8 plus 7 by 20 kilometer more. 7 by 20 kilometer more. So in this way you can say this kilometer. You see, you consider let Rohan walk x kilometer. After that according to question, you can take that type. According to question, Prem walked 5 by 8 kilometer less than Rohan. It means then x minus 5 by 8 kilometer. It is. After that, Sudhir walked more than 7 by 20 kilometers than Prem. So this is the Prem. Prem walked x minus 5 by 8 more than 7 by 20 means you add plus 7 by 20. After that it is given Sudhir walked 3 by 5 kilometer. Sudhir walked 3 by 5 kilometer. So after that you can write this one. This implies that Sudhir walked 3 by 8 kilometer, 3 by 5 kilometer. So you can see x minus 5 by 8 plus 7 by 20 is equal to 3 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. You solve this. So you can solve this. X is equal to, you take x is equal to 3 by 5 in right side already there. 3 by 5. This minus 5 by 8 goes to right side, it will be plus 5 by 8. And this plus 7 by 20 goes to right side, it will be minus 7 by 20. After that, you take LCM of 5, 8 and 20. LCM of 5, 8 and 20, you see. LCM of 5, 8 and 20 is equal to what will come? 40. So after that you divide this LCM 40 by 5. 5 is 40. 8 times goes, you multiply 8 into 3. 8 3 is 24 plus this 40 divided by 8. 8 5 is 40. 5 times goes, that 5 multiplied by 5, 25 will come. And here minus given. So 22 is 40. 2 times goes, so 7 2 is 40. And 40 is LCM. After that, you can solve this. So 25 and 24, it will be 49 minus 14 upon 40. So 49 minus 14, 9 minus 4, 5, and 4 minus 1, 3. 35 by 40. Also you can solve HCF of 35 and 40 is 5. So by 5 7 is 35. 5 7 is 40. It is 7 by 8. So 7 by 8 kilometer, you can say Sudhir walked 7 by 8 kilometer. You can change in meter also if you want to. That 7 by 8 multiplied by 1000. Kilometer change into meter. So like that, 4 2 is 8 and 4 25 is 100 and 0 here. After that 1 is 2, 125 7 is, you can see 7 5 is 35, 5 here, 3 carry, 7 2 is 14, 14 and 3, 17, 7, 1 carry, 7 1 is 7 and 1, 8, 875 meter. Also you can change 7 by 8 kilometer into meter as like that, 875 meter. It is 875 meter. So Rohan walked that. X value of this is value of x. X means Rohan walked. This is value of x. Asking question, Rohan walked. Because x is a known value of for Rohan, so value of x is coming 7 by 8. Value of x is coming what? 7 by 8 kilometer. 7 by 8 kilometer change into meter, it will be 875 meter. So this is answer. After that, last question. Last question 10. It is very easy. Question number 10 also very easy. You see, I have to cycle a certain distance in the course of a day. I ride 1 by 8 of the whole journey before breakfast. I ride before breakfast. So you write, I ride before breakfast. How many? 1 by 8 of the whole journey. 1 by 8 of the whole journey. And 2 by 5 between breakfast and lunch. I ride between breakfast and lunch. Between breakfast and lunch. What is there? Breakfast and lunch. 2 by 5. 2 by 5. After that, 3 by 10 between lunch and tea. I write between lunch and tea. What is 3 by 10? 3 by 10. What fraction of the journey remains? Fraction of the journey remains. Suppose to total fraction of the journey is 1. 1 whole. Journey means 1 journey whole. So firstly we add together what fractions that I write as total. After that from 1 you subtract that, and after that you can do all. So firstly we add together total fraction of the journey. Total fraction of the journey. Firstly find out one by 8 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 10. So LCM of 8, 5 and 10. So it will be 40. 40. So 40 divide 40 by 8. 8 5 are 40. 5 and 5 1 are 5 plus 5. 8 are 40. 8 times goes. So 8 2 are 16 plus 10. 4 are 40. 4 times goes, that 4 multiplied with 3. 4 3 are 12. After that so you can add together 6 to 8 and 1 here 6 to 8, 8 5, 13, 3, 1 carry, 1 1 2 and 1 3. 33 by 40. 33 by 40. This is 33 by 40. The total fraction, and what fraction of the journey remains? Fraction of the journey remains. Take this. Fraction of the journey remains. Total journey is 1 whole. Each journey means 1 journey. 1 journey means whole 1. From whole 1 journey you can take minus at 33 by 40. So what will come? 41 जा 40 minus 33, 40 minus 33 by 40. It means 7 by 40. 7 by 40. So remains that journey remains 40. 7 by 40. 7 by 40 journey remains. After that question, again question type, if the whole distance is 80 kilometer, if the whole distance of the journey is 80 kilometer, how much do I ride in each interval? In each interval, you can find out answer. If the total distance of the journey, it is given total distance of the journey is equal to 80 kilometer. So there are three intervals. One before breakfast, second between breakfast and lunch, third between lunch and tea. So before breakfast, first before breakfast you can calculate how. Before breakfast it is given 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 of 80, it means 1 by 8 multiplied by 80. 8 1 ja 8, 8 in ja 80, means 10 kilometer. You can say 10 kilometer. Second is between breakfast and lunch. Between breakfast and lunch, it is given 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 of 80, it means 2 by 5 multiplied by 80. 5 1 ja 5, 5 16 ja 80, 16 2 ja 32 kilometer. That is 32 kilometer. And at last is given as between lunch and tea. Third, between lunch and tea. Between lunch and tea, it is given value 3 by 10. Fraction is given 3 by 10. So 3 by 10 of 80. So 10 1 ja 10, 10 8 ja 80, 8 times 8 3 ja 21. 24, 8 3 ja 24 kilometer. 8 3 ja 24 kilometer. This is 24 kilometer between lunch and tea. So in this way you can find out the whole fractions 1 by 8 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 10 in the journey. What fraction are used? After that, the whole journey is 1. You consider that is one journey. It is the part of the journey. So from 1 you can subtract the whole part of the journey what he writes. After that you can find out that answer is 7 by 40. After that you can find out the remains. If the whole distance is 80 kilometers, how much do I ride in each interval? So each interval means before breakfast 1 by 8, you can count 1 by 8 of 80 kilometer. So 1 by 8 of 80 kilometer, it is 10 kilometer. Between breakfast and lunch, 2 by 5 of 80 kilometer, mean 2 by 5 mean multiply 80. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 16 ja 80, 16 2 ja 32 kilometer. At last, between lunch and tea, it is 3 by 10 of 80. You can calculate like this. It is 24 kilometer. So what intervals it is given in the question, you can find out that how many kilometers he wrote and covered the distance. It is 1 by 1. You can find out. In this way, this exercise has been finished. So I hope today you will complete self practice 3J all questions or 10 questions, and today you try mental maths. You do mental maths and multiple choice questions yourself. You feel any problem, you can contact me. You can contact me on this phone number. I have given also already 9415643905. On this phone number you can contact and you can ask questions. I will give the answer. For today's class, thank you.